Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a kid's profile on Audible and actually share audiobooks to that kid's profile. So I'm actually on the Google Chrome version of Audible, and you want to come up here to this section that says hi and then your first name, go down to account details, and then from there select profiles, and you've got this option right here. There's a plus symbol, press that, and now it says create a kid's profile. You can create a kid's profile and share kid-friendly titles of your choosing. Then press this black button, create a kid's profile. And then from there, it shows you actually how to share stories or audiobooks to your kid's profile. But I'm going to do that now on the mobile app. So guys, I've just transferred over to the mobile version of Audible app on iPhone, and I'm going to show you how to share a story with your kid's profile. So let's find the story in particular that we want to share. And it's just going to be one that's in my library. So I'm going to go down here and let's just say the inner game of tennis. I'm going to press the three dots button on the right hand side. And then from there, the fourth option down says share with kids profile. Select that. And then it is now shared to your kids profile. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.